Come here, camera lady. I got something to show you while you're here at EMS. This is Slo-Mo. Slo-Mo has been building this wall for about 3 years now, and he's only been working on my car for 2 years, and that's why we call him Slo-Mo. What do you got to say for yourself, Slo-Mo?
I'm about to take my time and do the job right.
So that's the world's fastest bricklayer right there. And he's Italian. I don't get it. That reminds me of a joke. You know, how come the Italians have never been to the moon? Because they can't find enough scaffolding.
Funny guy. Funny guy. I'm trying to kill you last. I've had to endure all of Ted's Italian jokes, and he knows more than anybody I've ever met. But they're funny, and they're cute, and I love them.
See, we live in Canada, so that means that by law, we have to hire at least one Frenchman for everything that you do. You have to have one Frenchman. But I know Frenchman jokes too. How do you confuse a Frenchman? You put them in a barrel and you tell them to piss in the corner.
I don't know, man. I don't know. He's got to update his repertoire at some point, right? We'll see. Hopefully it's sooner than later.